What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a crazy video for y'all. Hold on one second. Woo! What's up, YouTube? What video can I do that would deter me from being able to communicate? And I try to go through the whole day. For this video, no talking. That's to strangers, that's to employees. It doesn't matter where I am. My only form of talking is through my phone. Let me show you guys. I'll just approach someone, whatever it is I'm doing.
Hello, my name is EJ.
Super simple. And if there is an issue in the communication, I'll just basically repeat it.
EJ, how are you?
So it's fairly easy to get back to where I need to get to. The one part that's kind of tricky is when someone's in a rush and they got to do something, and I'm just trying to communicate quickly. That part's hard. It does take time for it to generate that voice. If you guys are new to my page, you haven't seen my videos before, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and absolutely beat the living dog shit out of I mean, that's a helicopter. I truly appreciate all the people that have been tuning into our channel. If you see me or you see my videos and you show any kind of love, I really appreciate you and you're a real one. Also, a lot of you guys think that my subscribe for a cinnamon roll banner on my YouTube page, you guys think that's fake. Matter of fact, one of you actually approached me asking for a cinnamon roll and didn't expect me to actually want to buy it for you. If you subscribe to me and you show you're subscribed and I'm physically there, I'll either give you money for a cinnamon roll. I'm not just gonna give you money to go piss on gambling. Matter of fact, if you want to go piss some money on some gambling, just let me know. I might slide you a couple bucks. But like, think about it. Your favorite YouTuber is willing to give you money for some za. My real day ones, the motherfuckers that were with me from my first video that I ever posted, right? That never judged me from day one. I'm giving them money for za.
Hi guys, I couldn't see you. What can I get going for you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I will leave you a tip if you can help me. Can I please get one iced orchid chai with soft top cold foam and cinnamon and a cookie shake, both medium size, please?
Wait, what's that? Is that a TikTok or is that a... Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a TikTok. Oh my god.
Both medium size, please.
You got it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, and then $13.20 will be your total today. Is that gonna be cash or card? Card? Perfect. You can go ahead and tap right there on the screen. There you go. Perfect. It's gonna ask a totally optional tipping question, and then you'll be all set after that. Once you guys... There you go. Have a good one.
Yeah, look at that Model Y, bro. They look so different now. They're just completely changing the looks of them.
Hi, how are you? Can I please get chips and guacamole? Thank you.
Did you want the small or the big one? The small?
How are you? Can I please use the restroom? Can I please use the restroom?
What?
You? Can I please use the restroom?
The one at the end.
Bro, it smelled so rank and there no cap on dead dogs. Bro, it smelled so rank and there no cap on dead homies. Dead homies, I'd smoke you in a 1-on-1 to 10 ones and twos.
My bad, bro. I gotta go I gotta go. Huh? No, I'm good.
Do you take Zelle?
No, cash only.
What can I get for $2?
$2. See? You can go this. Theta no. 3.
Thank you. What is your name? What is your name?
Hisui.
Hi, my name is EJ. On gang, we should run it first to 10.
Shit, I suck.
Me too. I got Crocs on. Dead homies I'm ass.
Fuck it.
1 into the 10.
3, 2, 1. Shoot for it.
When you get the rebound, you can keep it. Just take it back.
All right. All right. Bet.
Give that guy a plane ticket to China.
Good job, though.
Oh. "52 fucking years I've been on this fucking planet. Fuck. Oh, wait a second. Why are you backing up? Close your eyes, girl. Splash.
So hot, bro.
Good, bro.
On Dead Homies, you gang for real.
That's what's up, brother. You have a good one.
Bro, you know the Lakers need a center.
Wait, what was that?
Bro, you know the Lakers need a center.
Me? I don't know if I'm their style, man. I don't know if I hoop, but I don't know if I'm their style.
You think he'd cook you?
Hey, wait, what?
You think I would cook you?
Maybe on like a real bad day. Good to meet you,